Miss Mary, we get the sunrise over the bay at Muxia. Good morning, my love.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Good. You look good, let me tell you. Sun's coming up over your shoulder. Yeah. What is going on today, honey?
Well, we're going to walk out to the Church of Virgin de Labarca. This is the place where Mary supposedly came ashore on a stone boat to assist St. James and give him encouragement to continue on with his missionary works.
Yeah. All right, and then All Saints Mass at 12, and then we'll see what the day takes us from there. Love you, babes.
Sunrise on the bay at Muxia with Lee. A day that we're going to see some very historic and spiritual sights. So we're looking forward to a great day. This is the bay at Muxia, España. Those little white dots on the grass, the plants down there, are calla lilies. Friday morning, November 1st. This morning is Friday, November 1st, and we walked out to the point of the chapel of the Virgin de la Barca, and we got some great pictures all around the coastal area where there are very many rocks and where remnants of a stone boat, legend has, that Mary washed up to shore on, and her purpose of her trip was to come and support St. James in his mission. And we've taken some beautiful pictures. I'll let those pictures speak for themselves. There is a chapel out here, and there is Mass at 12 o'clock, so we're debating on whether to just hang out here for 2.5 hours or go somewhere else. But it's very special, very spiritual, and as an aside, I believe this is the place where in the movie Tom scatters Daniel's ashes. He goes down in between the rocks and stands there, which would be very, very, very special. So we love you all. We're looking forward to coming home. You're in our prayers. We say prayers every single day for each and every one of you, and hope the very best for you. We love you. This is a special place where pilgrims celebrate the end of the road. A friend that we met, Janet, who is celebrating her peace and tranquility for having completed her journey.
But thank you.
Preteen boys at play in the bay, at the bay.
Steph
United Kingdom, Bellingham.
Steph or LeBron?
LeBron.
Steph.
Yes.
We ended the night with the best calamari I've ever eaten. Better than Camp Rich.